Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I think we're to the point now where you guys are really learning a lot and a good job, and I'm gonna show you something that I think you'll find very helpful. Alright, so we know about the help function. Well, that's only part of it. I'm going to show you the help prompt. So, alright. And it looks like this. So, modules. This takes a minute to pull up, but what the interpreter, what it's doing is it is going through and pulling up all your Python files that are sitting in this folder. So any that you have written, or any documentation, or any folder, any files. All right, let's span this out. So this is everything that is there. Some of them might be a file that you wrote. Most of them are going to be. But here's a perfect example. You see if right here. Let's do then keywords. Alright, so here are some of our keywords, because I remember when I was learning, I wish I was like, there needs to be a way that we could run some and find some information about some of these keywords. And I went and I stumbled and fumbled and bumbled, and I ran across the help prompt, and I went, oh, because right now we don't have a way to pull up and how would you explain and talk about. But here's where that I love this the most. So now, related help topics. And you begin to slow roll and really, really, really dig into other things that are related to each other, tied to each other, and then one thing leads to another, and your knowledge, understanding, comprehension just leads and leads and leads and goes so on. So all these things are sitting in the background, and it's a wonderful, 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 helpful tool that expands your understanding and can fill any blanks in, what is it? Let's see. What was the one that is the truth value? And then you learn about booleans. Value. All right, there is, like I said, you're going to get, and you have to be careful, you can get sucked in and spend a lot of time, but everything that you can ever want to a greater understanding, it is here. And the developers of Python have taken painstaking hours, thousands of hours over the years, and added and added and added. And you're going to run across things that we haven't even talked about yet. But you're going to know where to come, what to do. Most of these you'll know about, because that's a help on string. But this is all in one place, and I loved it when I started, because you're going to have the related topics at the bottom, and it's just going to catapult you into areas that we have that we haven't even gotten to yet. So give me some feedback, yay or nay on this. Was this too soon, too much? And then you just quit, and then you're back out. But it's just the help function with no argument, and you get to the prompt. So all right, as always, thanks for watching. give me a thumbs up on this video, and make sure you've subscribed and hit the notification bell, because we got videos coming out all the time. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.